If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with a high-quality faucet that not only looks great but also provides a seamless user experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on the Dornbracht Basin Mixer Einhandbatterie, a product that promises to deliver both form and function. Whether you're a homeowner looking to revamp your bathroom or an interior designer seeking to elevate your client's space, this faucet might just be what you need, and I'm about to break down whether it lives up to its promise. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First, let's talk about the design. The Dornbracht Basin Mixer has a sleek, modern look that can easily complement a variety of bathroom styles. I've seen it in action, and it's clear that the design is not just about aesthetics, it's also highly functional. For instance, the single-handle design makes it easy to control the water temperature and flow, which is especially useful for families with young children or for those who value simplicity in their bathroom experience. The faucet's construction is solid, giving you the assurance that it will withstand the test of time and heavy use. This durability is not just about the materials used but also about the thoughtful design that considers how the faucet will be used daily. One of the things that impressed me about the Dornbracht Basin Mixer is how it balances modernity with timelessness. It's a faucet that looks contemporary and fresh, yet it doesn't follow fleeting trends. This means that it won't go out of style anytime soon, making it a great choice for homeowners who are looking for a long-term solution rather than a fashionable statement piece that might need to be replaced in a few years. The design is minimalist yet sophisticated, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any bathroom decor, whether your style is ultramodern, classic, or something in between. Another practical benefit of this faucet is its ease of installation. While I wouldn't recommend tackling this as a DIY project unless you're very handy, professionals have noted that it's relatively straightforward to install, which can save you money and time compared to more complex faucets on the market. The manufacturer has seemingly thought through the installation process, providing clear instructions and ensuring that the necessary components are included, making the process smoother for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who are up for the challenge. The faucet's durability is a significant selling point. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed to last, reducing the need for frequent replacements or repairs, which is not only cost-effective but also better for the environment. We're all becoming more aware of our environmental footprint, and choosing products that are built to last is one of the simplest ways to make a positive impact. By selecting a faucet like the Dornbracht Basin Mixer, you're not only getting a product that will serve you well for years to come, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable future. In terms of water efficiency, the Dornbracht Basin Mixer is designed with conservation in mind. It has a cleverly designed aerator that helps to reduce water flow without compromising on performance, making it an excellent choice for those looking to minimize their water usage without sacrificing comfort. This is particularly beneficial in areas where water conservation is a priority or for households looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Plus, the faucet's smooth operation and consistent water pressure make for a very comfortable washing experience, whether you're getting ready in the morning or washing your hands throughout the day. Safety is another key aspect where the Dornbracht Basin Mixer shines. The faucet features a clever mechanism that prevents scalding, which is an essential safety feature, especially in households with children or elderly individuals. This mechanism ensures that the water temperature remains within a safe range, preventing accidental burns. It's a thoughtful inclusion that demonstrates the manufacturer's commitment to not just functionality and aesthetics but also to the well-being of the users. Furthermore, the faucet's minimalistic design makes it easy to clean and maintain, reducing the risk of mineral buildup and bacterial growth, which can be a concern with more complex faucet designs. In my opinion, one of the standout features of the Dornbracht Basin Mixer is its blend of modern technology with timeless design. It manages to look contemporary without being too trendy, which means it won't go out of style anytime soon. This is a significant advantage for homeowners who are looking for a long-term solution rather than a fleeting fashion statement. When considering the pros and cons, I'd say that one of the major advantages is its durability and ease of use. However, one potential drawback is the higher price point compared to some other options on the market. Despite this, the quality and performance it offers make it a worthwhile investment for many. It's about weighing the upfront cost against the long-term benefits, including reduced maintenance, water efficiency, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've invested in a high-quality product. As we delve deeper into the benefits of the Dornbracht Basin Mixer, it's clear that it's designed with the user in mind. From its intuitive single-handle control to its safety features and water efficiency, every aspect of the faucet seems to be focused on providing a superior user experience. This is what sets it apart from other faucets on the market, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their bathroom. Whether you're motivated by a desire for style, functionality, or sustainability, the Dornbracht Basin Mixer checks many boxes. In conclusion, if you're considering upgrading your bathroom faucet and are looking for a high-quality, reliable option that offers a seamless user experience, the Dornbracht Basin Mixer is certainly worth considering. With its sleek design, ease of use, and focus on durability and water efficiency, it checks many boxes for what makes a great bathroom faucet. From its modern yet timeless design to its emphasis on safety and environmental sustainability, this faucet has been thoughtfully designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users. Remember, the link to check out this product on Amazon is in the description below.